Feeling overwhelmed by your workload? Wish you had a magic wand to boost your productivity and creativity? Well, what if I told you that magic is already here? Today, we're exploring 5 incredible AI tools that can revolutionize the way you work. Let's dive in. Framer. Stuck in design purgatory? Framer's your AI fairy godmother. Drag, drop, and watch magical AI layouts appear. Need code? Framer writes it for you. Design prototypes in a flash, iterate like a pro, and impress your clients. Adobe Firefly. Writer's block? Not with Firefly. This AI wordsmith conjures catchy headlines, crafts compelling emails, and even translates for you. Want a funny tone? Serious? Firefly adapts, making content creation a breeze. Ritter. Forget writer's cramp. Ritter churns out product descriptions that sell, blog posts that captivate, and social media captions that click. Choose from tons of templates, let AI do the heavy lifting, then fine-tune to perfection. Synthesia. Camera shy? Synthesia's your on-demand video star. Just write your script, choose an AI presenter from around the globe, and voila! Instant video magic, no studio needed. Impress your audience in any language, accent, or style. GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is your AI coding sidekick. Stuck on a bug? Copilot swoops in with fixes. Need a function? It writes it for you. Translate code between languages like a pro. Level up your coding skills and conquer any project. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.